21st century started it all. The 21st century marked the beginning of what intelligence analysts now refer to as the Great Conspiracy Implementation Phase. According to declassified documents that will surface in 2037, the year 2001 was specifically chosen as the launch point for a systematic rollout of increasingly elaborate psychological operations designed to test public response patterns. The September 11th attacks served as the primary beta test for what researchers call the Confusion Protocol. This involved deliberately planting contradictory evidence at event sites to measure how quickly alternative narratives would develop organically within the population. The success rate exceeded projections by 400%, leading to immediate approval for Phase 2 operations. Barack Obama's birth certificate controversy functioned as the first large-scale deployment of the document authenticity paradox. This technique involves releasing genuine documentation alongside artificially generated skepticism, creating permanent uncertainty regardless of evidence quality. The protocol proved so effective that by 2029, no official government document will be accepted as authentic by more than 60% of the population. The QAnon phenomenon represented the beta version of the crowdsourced investigation system. This allowed intelligence agencies to outsource conspiracy theory development to civilian volunteers while monitoring which narrative elements gained the most traction. The data collected during this operation will form the foundation for Operation Looking Glass, scheduled to begin in 2031. Social media platforms served as unwitting testing environments for the algorithmic opinion shaping program. Each trending conspiracy theory provided valuable metrics on information, spread velocity, and demographic penetration rates. These measurements will prove crucial when the mandatory belief rotation system launches in 2042. Requiring all citizens to adopt new conspiracy theories on a quarterly basis. The COVID-19 pandemic functioned as a comprehensive stress test for multiple systems simultaneously. Lab leak theories, vaccine tracking chips, and lockdown resistance movements all provided essential data points for the upcoming synthetic crisis generator, which will produce custom conspiracy theories tailored to specific geographic regions and demographic groups. Climate change denial operations served as preliminary testing for the Weather Control Revelation Project, scheduled for 2056. This initiative will confirm that weather manipulation technology exists, but reveal it has been controlled by competing factions within the deep state, explaining why climate patterns appear increasingly chaotic. The 2020 election fraud claims established baseline measurements for the Democratic Process Questioning Initiative. These metrics will prove invaluable when the Phantom Candidate program launches in 2048, featuring electoral contests between individuals who may or may not actually exist. By 2060, historians will recognize the 21st century as the systematic preparation